Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade challenge, a chatbot challenge, conversational AI agents first lab, that is Dialogflow CX to Firestore using Webhook to cloud functions. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of previous 8 labs. मैंने पिछले 8 labs का solution upload कर दिया है, that you can access by simply clicking on the I button on the top right corner. जैसे आप I button पे click करेंगे, आपको सारी labs का solution मिल जाएगा, that you can complete all the labs. अगर आपने कोई नहीं किया अभी तक, जाके कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, स्टार्ट दिस लैब, वेट फॉर द पेज टू बी लोडेड. So once the page get loaded, click on the start lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. Right click on open Google console and open it in private window or in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. Okay, email id will be automatically pasted up. Click on the next button. We need the password, so simply come back to the lab, copy the password, come back to here, paste the password, click on the next button, click on the I understand button, and we get logged in into our Google Cloud console. A pop-up message will arise of terms and condition. Simply accept it. Click on the agree and continue. Once it's that completed, come back to the lab. Scroll down to the task 1, or just scroll up a little bit. Under the getting into Dialogflow CX, copy this whole URL. Make sure you didn't copy the full stop at the end. आखिर में जो full stop है उसे copy नहीं करना है. Come back to here, open a new tab, paste it here and hit enter button, and we get logged in into our Dialogflow console. Okay, wait for it to get loaded. So once it's get loaded, we will have to accept it and click on the accept button. Now click on the Dialogflow CX. Wait for it to get loaded. अब जैसे ये लोड हो जाएगा, हमें सबसे पहले अपनी प्रोजेक्ट आईडी सिलेक्ट करनी होगी. वी नीड टू प्रोजेक्ट सिलेक्ट अवर प्रोजेक्ट आईडी. सो सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस and wait for it. You will get a button enable API. Click on the enable API button. If it's show any message like this, then click on the cancel button and again click on the enable API. अगर कोई पॉपअप नहीं आए तो कोई बात नहीं, और आए तो आपको कैंसिल करना है. ठीक है, अब क्या करना है, वेट करेंगे यहाँ पर थोड़ा. आपको कुछ ऐसा मैसेज आए, ऐसा इंटरफेस दिखाए, तो आपको क्या करना है, इफ इट थ्रो एनी इंटरफेस लाइक दिस, सिंपली कम बैक टू हियर, कॉपी दिस यूआरएल वंस अगेन, ओपन अ न्यू टैब, पेस्ट इट हियर और सिंपली गो टू द डायलॉग फ्लो. हमारे पास डायलॉग फ्लो ऑलरेडी ओपन है, हमें कॉपी पेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द डायलॉग फ्लो सी एक्स वंस अगेन. फिर से हम डायलॉग फ्लो सी एक्स पे क्लिक करेंगे और फिर से हमारा कुछ इस तरह का कंसोल खुलेगा. वेट फॉर इट, यू कैन कट द अदर टैब. वंस अगेन सिलेक्ट द प्रोजेक्ट आईडी, click on the project id and it will redirected you to the next page. Click on the create agent here. Now we need the display name for the create agent. Now the name is given to us, so copy this Claudio CX, copy it very carefully, whatever inside the quotes, don't copy the quotes. Come back to here, paste it here under the display name. Make sure कोई भी extra spacing नहीं हो, नहीं तो error आएगा. Under the location, select global, scroll down, select global, click on the create button and wait for the agent to get created. So once the agent get created successfully, you need a special file that would be of the .blop extension. एक स्पेशल फाइल चाहिए जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल रहा होगा, और सेम फाइल आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे भी मिल रही होगी, तो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. आपको डाउनलोड करनी पड़ेगी. डाउनलोड दैट फाइल फ्रॉम द डिस्क्रिप्शन. दैट फाइल वुड बी नेम्ड एज, let me show you, that file would be named as exported agent claudio .blob. Okay, we need this file. Once you downloaded it, click on the agent here, click on view all agents. Now from here, click on the three dot icon and click on the restore. Now here, scroll down, click on the upload button, and we need to upload the file that we downloaded. So let me find that file. जहाँ भी आपने सेव करी हो वहाँ पर आपको लोकेट करना है उस फाइल को. Select that file. Now click on the restore button and wait for it to get restored. Once the file get restored, you will see interface like this. Now click on the manage button. Click on the webhooks here. Now we need to edit the URL for both of these display name one by one. So simply click on this URL. Now come back to the Cloud Shell console, Cloud Console dashboard. Now here, click on this drop down icon. Let me remove this. Here, click on this drop down icon. Now copy your project ID, that is this one. Copy it very carefully. Come back to the dialog flow, not this one, actually here. And remove this Qwiklab ID. Remove it very carefully. Make sure ये जो end में dot है ये रहे. आपको dot remove नहीं करना. You don't need to remove the dot. Remove the ID. Paste your ID and click on the save button. Same with the next one. Remove this Qwiklab ID and paste your, and here click on the save button. Once you are done with this, now is the time to test our agent. Okay, so click on the test agent button, come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task number one also. Task, yes, now scroll down, check for the task one, you will get the green tick here also. तो हमें अब दो टास्क के लिए ग्रीन टिक मिल चुका है. अब हमें क्या करना है, स्क्रॉल डाउन टू द टास्क नंबर 6, सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द टास्क 6, you will redirect it to the task 6. Now copy this phrase. We need to test our project or that agent, so copy this phrase very carefully, come back to here, and we need to run it here under the talk to agent. So simply paste it here, talk to agent. You can remove this and hit enter button, click on this to test our agent. Now simply come back to here, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick for the task 6th. Don't worry if it throw any error, try to 2 to 3 times, you will get the green tick. Keep trying. As you can see, we get the green tick in the third or fourth trial. अगर आपको पहली बार में green tick ना मिले, don't worry. Try to press the check my progress 2 to 3 times. You will certainly get the green tick. Okay. Now head towards the ninth task. Keep scrolling. Yes, we can remove skip this. Come back to the ninth task, and let me check. We need this phrase. We need to copy this phrase. Copy it very carefully till here level. Copy it. Come back to here. Paste it under the talk to agent. Hit enter button. Now we need to set our phone number. So come back to here, and the phone number is given to us. Copy this whole phone number. Come back to here, paste it under the talk to agent. यहाँ पर paste करेंगे. Hit enter button. Wait for it to get loaded. Now come back to the lab. Scroll down. Click on the check my progress, and you will get the green tick for that 9th task also. Don't worry. Click on the check my progress. You can see assessment is completed. Now head towards the 11th task. Copy this phrase. Copy this whole phrase carefully. Come back to here. Paste it here. Enter button. Now come back to the lab. Copy the next command or the next phrase. Don't copy the codes. मैंने copy कर लिए थे codes, इसलिए मैं फिर से copy कर रहा हूँ. Copy it. Come back to here. Paste it here. Hit enter button. Now copy this Gonzalez. We will use it as the last name. Copy it. Paste it here. Hit enter button. Now come back to the lab. Copy the next phrase. Copy it carefully. Come back to here. Paste it here. Hit enter button. Now copy this Yuan as the first name. We will use it as the first name. So paste it here. Hit enter button. Now come back to the lab. Copy this last phrase. Copy it very carefully. ध्यान से कॉपी कीजिएगा, कोई भी लेटर मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. Hit enter button. Now come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress, and you will get the green tick in this task number 11th also. Don't worry अगर पहली बार में green tick ना आए, it's absolutely natural. Try to 2 to 3 times, you will get the green tick for sure. 2 से 3 बार ट्राई कीजिएगा. You can see assessment is completed. Now congratulations, our lab is completed. Click on the end lab button, click on the submit button. Give the star rating that you want to give, click on the submit button. Come back to the main page. Simply scroll down, open the lab, and you will see a green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed our lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.